So just woke up, it's like 2 in the afternoon on Saturday. Gonna go head to the shop and they got the lifts in, so hopefully put those in today. Or I don't know what they're doing, but hopefully they put them in today and my car should be there, or we should start the build on the Eclipse on Monday or Tuesday. So let's head to the shop. If you want one of these DTR hats, we're trying to get a thing up and running, but they're gonna be 20 bucks a piece. We have there's like 10 different colors, so I'll try to get a video of all the different colors, but that's how they look so far. So on the way to the shop, looks good so far. Weather is decent, so hopefully, and our shop's like an hour away, so it's pretty out there. It's in Shorewood. It just started snowing, so this trip just got like 20 minutes longer. Another thing that sucks about going here is there is no highway to get there. The most direct route is this Route 59, and you need to go down like 40 miles down this road, which sucks, but we'll get there. Another like 45 more minutes. Finally at the shop. It only took an hour and 30 minutes to get here. Yep, hour and 34 minutes to get here. We'll see if anyone is here. Mark and Valentine should be here, but Dorian's on his way. Yeah, the shop's in Shorewood, so if anyone ever wants anything done to their car, come over here. Who is it? What's your name?
Did you ever talk to Jeff? What's the deal with the... Hi, my name's Hardik.
Oh,
I'm a vlogger.
it's Dorian.
My name's Hardik. I'm a vlogger. You know, I got a gimbal and stuff. Mark. My name's Hardik Patel.
Wait, you're not even recording though.
Yeah,
They have like 15 motors in here. We're getting some Illuminatis with Mark and Dorian.
Do your funeral one day.
What?
We're
gonna take a vlog.
You gotta vlog it too.
And then
show
everybody the translation.
Firehouse light?
So they didn't have us sit in, so we're going to B-dubs. Where are we going though? To Giordano's with Mark and Dorian again.
Well, I mean, shit, if I had the space, I would get a fucking single cab fucking Silverado or something like that.
I was just waiting for you to do something. Dorian, do something. This might be the smallest 6-cylinder ever made. It's a 2-liter RB20.
Yeah, the RB20.
Damn.
My 4-cylinder has the same motherfucking.
Yeah, our Evos have the same displacement as this.
I got this. It's not my fault.
Really? Feels so weird. What is, oh, the clutch is still. Yeah.
That's what everybody gets to get.
The clutch is still on the same side. Yes.
The only thing that people don't
understand, this will suck though.
Really? It's natural to me.
Is it?
Yeah, I could do it easily.
Is this a 6? Oh, it's a 5-speed?
Yeah, it's only 5. The 6 speeds, if you ever get a 6-speed, I think
Yeah.
those are,
Why not the fucking doctor?
I think the 6 speeds only come with like HKS transes or something like that, or like get right transes.
There's a headlight stock, or a headlight turn thing. Turn signals, and then the wipers are in this stock, or whatever you call this crap.
Oh, it's all dusty. I can't make it look all dusty. It looks like it's in a body shop.
It is in a body shop.
Oh, fuck your body.
What's your Snapchat, Dorian? Can you get the little picture thing?
No, I don't want people adding me.
Oh, never mind then.
Unless they want dick pics. Because then everybody will get dick pics. Regardless if you're a guy or a girl.
This is Dorian's new car. He got a...
It's a drag-ready Bentley.
Look how light this door is.
Got weight reduction going on right now. It's a bit dusty. I was at Race Wars in the sand dunes.
Lightweight.
Lightweight. Look at, there's no, I mean, the rear end, like, there's nothing in the back. So
He took out the bumpers.
I'm gonna do
Lightweight.
a twin turbo kit.
Twin turbo. It's a V12?
Yeah.
V12. Yeah. How do you open this thing?
Yeah, show them my engine, Robin.
Oh, there's the V12.
Doesn't have fucking dead headlights. Volkswagen's had the, oh wait, this is the Volkswagen.
Duh. Audi, yeah.
That's Volkswagen also.
Here you go, here's your stock Clutch Master.
Robert's like.
Robert's like, what the hell are they doing?
I don't know, I'm not fucking crazy, what? You didn't say this fucking we got more crazy people over here.
I'm not crazy. It's FP Green, minimal shaft play, as you can see. Can't really hear it. It's still brand new. I'll test it out for you guys right now. Oh shit! Hold on. Wait. Look at that motherfucker spin, bro.
Like ball bearing, bro.
Can't even tell that's moving. Brand new, bro. $1,200 is yours.
Chips with these.
It shifts to 13,000 RPM.
Oh, I think he's back. Is he?
Paddle shifter like a fucking. Oh shit! He goes down here.
Done messing around at the shop, so back home. Or I don't know, maybe to a bar. We'll see. To check out the status on the yellow Evo owned by Brian, since I believe he's putting it back together today, so we'll see what's up with that car. side is where my Evo transmission blew up. Like, right in this area somewhere. Yeah, I don't know what street light haven't broken down. Just got to RPM. Let's go check out this Evo, or what they're doing with it. If you guys are in Rockford and need some help with your Evo or whatever car, come check them out. RPM, I'll leave info in the description. Here's the Banana Evo owned by Brian. Leave his info in the description, and then
What's up, guys? How you guys doing?
Junie.
If you like this video, check out some more things
Huh?
channel and subscribe.
Raising the motor right now.
Big ass turbo.
67, 66?
Yeah.
Yeah, 67, 66.
Ball bearing.
Ball bearing. T3?
Yeah, it's a T3.
Yeah.
With STM forward facing.
SEM forward facing manifold. Tile wastegate.
Yeah.
Open dump, or straight through the hood. And then they're doing a side exit on this one too, so.
Side or further exit? We
Yeah.
still haven't decided yet. But most likely side exit.
Damn, that catch can though.
Oh yeah.
The 3-quart. Mount is on. 2 more to go.
Only took us 2 hours.
No, you gotta say it took us like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Only took us 5 minutes.
Wanna hold this later?
Second motor mount is in, just 1 more left and it's all done. Final motor mount is in. So done with everything, just gonna clean stuff up.
Put in the bumper. I'm excited for the bumper.
Oh yeah, are you gonna put that on right now?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. The Evo motor's in, the new bumper is on. Looks pretty sick. The new AMS intake manifold that you got. It's a 67, 66. It's 4:30 in the morning, headed back home. I don't know if you guys can see this because my camera died, so I'm using my phone right now, but Headed back home. I'm like 40 minutes out. Just dropped off Junie over here. 4:20. I lied. This one says 4:27. So it's like 5:30 in the morning. Just got home, so gonna rest and hopefully edit this video tomorrow morning when I wake up.